Okay, so this is the center dash piece removal on a 2005 Corvette. I watched some videos that said that I had to remove this or it would make things a lot easier. I didn't have to do it. Some of the other videos were talking about how this was really hard to remove. Actually removed it fairly easily. If you can get a hold of these style clips, they make things a lot better. For this piece, I just wedged it and this pops straight up. There's no angle to it. And there are some green pieces that were attached to that plastic. If I can find it here and show it to you. Right there, those actually popped off with it. And they just snapped right back in. Be careful to not lose those because that's what's actually securing it into place. It has a little hinge piece here. The whole thing just popped up. No problem, no big deal. The next thing, I thought about taking this off and I decided I'll just follow these paper directions, see how much different they are than what people are posting on YouTube. So it said that after I removed this, there's 2 screws. Well, they're not really screws, they're bolts, but they're 9/32. Took those out fairly easily. Another little trick here, I didn't have the correct 1/4 inch driver on this, so I was able to take a regular wrench, wedge it in there. It fits snug enough, so if you don't have the correct ratchet, you can always do that. It was just almost finger tight. So for this piece getting in the way, it was when I tried to pull it straight up. Initially it pops up and then you can just push it over to you a little bit to the side. I'll try to hold the camera here and do it at the same time. Just like that. Just move it to the side and the whole thing starts to slide out. So now I've got the whole centerpiece disconnected, just laying there. I may make another video here if I run into any other quirks about it. I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching.